Happy January 5th. Okay, so if we're looking at the action from Friday, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions where we were heading lower. It looks like, I don't think this settlement is correct. It looks like traders were caught in the hole here. They were looking for lower prices, and now we're squeezing a little bit. We're back to that 20-day point of control, and there's a lot of bullish order flow just now. We're trading above Friday's value, but we're trading still inside the range, right? So let's see what happens here at the open, but the scenarios are that we're gonna have some resistance at 69.40. So above that, then I'm looking for a retracement of this distribution into that 69.69, which is the gap fill, at which point we might see more sellers again. The other scenario is that if we start trading, well, first of all, the chop scenario, right, in which we just don't do anything and we just stay in this area, and the 69.30 keeps being the magnet. But if we get below value area high from Friday, then I'm going to be looking for a value area sweep and move down to Friday's value area low. But right now we're seeing a lot of bullish action. Ticks are very positive. Internals are strong. Deltas are pushing. So let's see if this move can continue, or if we have an open drive lower auction as we've been having lately. For some reason, every open has been met with sellers. So let's see if we get that today too, or if we keep this move going. NQ has that 20-day point of control still haven't tested it, but it's coming up here at 25,700. But still trading inside the sessions range for Friday. But the difference is that NQ did break these two highs, right? And then we moved lower. So we'll see if we get to that 25,700. Also bullish, very bullish this morning, gold and silver. Look at this rally. Remember, I was looking at this 73 area as support, and I said if we break it, we go to 72. If we stay above it, we go to 75. We just got to 75, and now we're rallying. We have a little bit of resistance right here at 77 on silver. If we get above that, then we can move through this area and test 78.5, and remember that untested high from that crazy session was at 82 and change, so that's still a pending target for silver. Gold, look how it tested below this range, got back towards it, now it's testing the top of the range, so it's back to the 44.40 area. So if we hold this, then the main target becomes 45.20, that high volume node, and then of course all-time highs. But if we start seeing some selling pressure, remember that 43.60 is still a big magnet for gold. As far as news, we have ISM at 10. We have some auctions at 11:30, and then this week we have a lot of news. We have PMI, we have ISM PMI, JOLTS, employment change, etc., etc. So we're gonna be watching those the set of news coming up this week, which probably will bring some more volatility, but you know, we're still in this range that needs to be um, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. This is a pretty bad um, distribution, pretty weak uh, structure. So we might just spend some time filling these areas with volume until the next trigger uh, either brings us out of this range or fails to break out of this range. All right, good luck. That's about it for today.